Hello everyone, I am Nishchal from class 5. I am studying in Excel Public School, Mysore. So today I am going to be making a rubber band powered car which uses potential energy or stored energy which gets converted into kinetic energy. So let's have a look at the materials. A plastic bottle with holes where these straws pass through to form a wheel and axle, which are at the back at the front. Two holes in the front at the cap and a space for you to work. An old screw, rubber bands, some super glue and some wheels which are made from cardboard, and some holes in the center where the straws goes in and fits in. What you see here is the finished one. I have tied 5 rubber bands together. The top rubber band is attached to the bottle cap where there were 2 holes. The straws are attached to the cardboard wheel with glue, and there is a screw over here in the back straw to attach the rubber band. So now let's just see how this works. Now first you need to grab the rubber band, place it on the screw and wind it up, and make sure that it doesn't go on it, and make sure to push it to the side. So now let's wind 2 rubber bands, and now we'll see how far this goes. That went pretty far. Now I'm winding up 3 rubber bands. Now let's see. That was way further than I expected. So now let me tell you how this works. So when I attach this rubber band to the screw, it keeps it firm in place and does not slip out. And the more I wind these wheels up, the more energy gets stored as potential energy, which then gets converted into kinetic energy when I let go of the wheel, and it moves forward. So now we'll test it out on another surface. So now, as you can see here, this is a rough and rubbery surface, but this is a smooth surface. Now let's see what happens on the smooth surface, as we've already seen what happened on the rough surface. So I'm winding up 3 rubber bands. So let's see how far this goes. So that happened because the surface didn't have much grip as this one. So the wheels should have grip for the vehicle to move forward, or the surface should have grip. But if the wheels and the surface has grip, it will move even more better and we'll have more control on it. So I hope you understood how the rubber band powered car works. This is the experiment which I've done depending on stored energy and kinetic energy. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.